George watching for this 4:30 p.m. news update. The team launched by the Department of Science and Technology is now on the birthplaces of Palawan Forest, and they are performing a research about the argument that the earliest civilization could have existed in the Philippines. And they are continuing to gather evidences in that site where paleontologists suspected that there are the first existing humans in the world. Live from the Princesa Forest, we have Donald.
Dr. Marcory Diaz, the leader of the researchers, told me that they are still trying to discover the artifacts from the site that they have found. Earlier, we had an interview on Mr. Diaz at the excavation site as they try to solve the argument about the existence of the early civilization here in Palawan.
Still trying to excavate this entire place, you mark. We are still questioned by a group of international archaeologists, and we feel the pressure from different people. So, one whole of the document promising to present all our written proofs and reports after 2 months until we will revere up our entire evidences to support our arguments. At most, it would take us a month for the completion of this excavation and half a month to polish our proofs and evidences.
This is the latest here in Palawan. I'm Donald Estrella, C News.
PM news update. Seniors advisory will be right up after 2 hours.
As of 12